Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Why we have to meet up here, so?
By what I tell you already, my girlfriend know what people know my girlfriend. As a matter of fact, you know for business which part we want to meet up, yo. What you going so far?
Me used to see her once a week, twice a week upon Saturday. Why me can't see her again?
You know why you can't see me on Saturdays again, especially me tell you say don't text me on a late hours at night. You text me late hours at night, but me always enjoy my Saturdays with you. No she a pre me can't come out of here on Saturday.
Me tired of this. Me feel like a time now for she know about this. Guess what? She have to go live with you.
You know me I tell you see I met so much dinner from with you.
Not even a good picture we not have. Every time we take a picture you hide your face.
You know say you never take a picture of them good though.
Me not take a picture of them good.
Yeah.
Look there, look there, look there. Who not take a picture of them good?
Jano.
See, me and you never have a good picture.
Jano.
You can just at least take one good picture for once.
You know, I'm alright. Alright. Take a good picture for your phone. Set up yourself. You never know how you feel about all of this right now. You feel bad. See? You see my face a show?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Alright,
good.
What a nice picture for go on Instagram. I go upload it on Instagram.
Yo, give me a phone. Insta what?
Instagram.
Then drop it by head in the band. Which Instagram?
Instagram.
My girl, you forgot
Yes,
to say I'm beside the
Instagram.
man. You can't go on my Instagram.
So what that have to do with me?
My girl, you are secret.
It's Instagram.
You can't get this phone if you know Instagram. No bother with that. Right now, I'm going to delete that photo yet. I can't believe it.
No, me post it on Instagram. Me say it I forgot on Instagram. So a side chick can be wife.
Alright.
Side chick can be wife.
Alright.
too.
You want to go on Instagram though?
Yes, man, go on Instagram.
I'm going to take one next one. I don't feel like that one look good.
Alright.
Take one next
So
one.
go on Instagram.
Definitely.
Instagram.
Yes. Definitely. Hold on. Kind of show to you first. Come on, this be a surprise pic.
Oh, you want me to shut me eye?
Yeah, I just
Alright.
want to look like it's a surprise.
Sleeping Beauty.
Yes. Alright, hold the phone right there.
Alright, Sleeping Beauty.
Yeah, just hold it good. You hold it? You hold it? You sure you hold it?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready now.
Oh, we can't see none of this.
Oh wait, hold on.
You can't see none of this.
I'm bored for you. Hold. Yeah man, you see it good now? Good? Alright, pause. Yeah, that's my girl. Yeah.
You might have called and can't reach me. My puff, my smarty girl coming no easy. Walk through the front door, me no squeegee. Glock in me back pocket, so she feel it.